How to recover Microsoft account. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar. Type in this link account.live.com/password/reset. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official recovery interface of Microsoft. Enter your email, phone or Skype name over here. Make sure to provide the correct details. Once you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Enter the email address that you would like to use in order to contact you. Click on the field of contact email address. Enter the email address over here. Enter the characters that you see over here in order to complete the verification. Click on the option next. Once you do that, a code will be sent to this particular email. Go to the new tab. Click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Click on the email sent by the Microsoft. In this email you can see the security code. Memorize the security code, or you can also simply copy it. Go back to the recovery tab. Enter the code over here. Click on the option verify. Once you do that, you'll have to answer these questions. Enter the first name, last name, birth date and country associated with your account. Make sure to provide the correct information over here. Once you select all these, click on the option next. Now what you have to do is use other passwords that you've used for this account. You can also add another passwords if you want. Now answer the questions asked to you. Click on the option next. Now you'll be able to see other account recovery questions as well. Enter the email addresses of contacts you recently sent the email to. Also enter the exact subject lines over here. After you do that, click on the next option. You'll have to keep on answering more questions over here. After you do that, you can see over here your information will be submitted. According to the information that you provided, Microsoft will send you the email. That email will contain the information regarding recovering your account. Follow the instructions and your account will be recovered. Like this, you can recover Microsoft account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.